Are you ready for a great big cleaning haul? Let's try the scent together. Well, we'll put that to the test in this household, won't we? Good morning! How are we all doing? Is everybody well? I hope you all are. I'm sat outside Home Bargains, in case you couldn't tell from the title of today's video, and I thought we could do a great big cleaning haul. Let's see what we can find and if there's anything new that we can get and try out. Before we get into today's video, I do just want to say a huge welcome to all of the new people who have joined us over here. Hi, nice to meet you, and also a thank you to everybody in general who supports this channel. It means an awful lot, a lot more than what you probably realise. So thank you and welcome. Are you ready for a great big cleaning haul? I'm not gonna faff around, we're gonna get straight into it. The bags are right here in front of me, and let's see what I got, because there's some exciting bits in this. This is a new one. Has anybody else tried this? Air fryer cleaner. Now, I got really excited when I saw this. I feel like this could be a complete game changer, and if we use our air fryer, you best believe I'm including it in this video. Oh hi, Future Eve here from what you're watching at the moment, and you best believe I used my air fryer tonight. I cooked some chicken and some halloumi in here, so let's see what this spray is all about. So for this to work, you have a few options. If you haven't got any burnt on food, you can either just spray on and wipe off with a non-abrasive cloth, or if it is burnt on, you leave it for a few minutes and then you wipe. Whichever option you go for, you rinse with warm water and a soft cloth. Wow, that is so much easier to clean. That has cleaned the product so well. That was a very close up, I'm sorry. That's cleaned the product so well. Like, so clean, amazing. You may recognise this stuff, and it is the Mould and Mildew Blaster. I love it. Whether it's Astonish or Dettol, I personally find that both of them work really, really well. And yeah, if you've seen any of my other videos, you will definitely see me use this. Highly, highly recommend. It's not very expensive, and give it a try. You will thank me later. And if you don't, then that's fair enough. So we got some Fabulosa washing machine cleaner in Cotton Fresh. Now, this could be criminal, but I haven't used Fabulosa before. So 2 uses out of this. So if this is good, then 99p really ain't that bad. If you've used this or any other Fabulosa, please let me know, because I love trying new products. You will notice that in this video, you know. Next up, we got some fabric conditioner sheets. I've never come across these before, and you best believe I'm excited to try them. I just got them in Fresh Breeze. You will notice a theme with me and scents. I like freshness, you know, like cotton, breeze, all those kind of things. Keep it fairly simple. Occasionally I'll go rogue, but not all of the time. We have some good old soda crystals. Love, love, love these. Again, if you've seen any of my other videos, these do get used. Just another, personally, for our household, it is a staple. Next up, white vinegar. Of course, this is a good old classic for cleaning You can use it on its own, or you can use it with other products to get excellent cleaning results. Good old staple. Did you know that putting soda crystals and white vinegar into the toilet is a great natural way to clean it? Just got some cleaning gloves. I don't tend to use cleaning gloves all that often, but probably really should start. Next up, I found these Dishmatic cloths, and well, you're never too short of cloths, are you? So I thought these could be really good to try. I've never tried them before. If any of you have tried them, please let me know. It'd be interesting to see what your thoughts are on them. It is a minky cleaning pad, and I fell hook, line and sinker for this. It's leopard print. I love a bit of leopard print, and so it came in a basket. Okay, so I've got this and this. I'm showing you them together because I feel like they are pretty much the same. I've never had the cherry blossom and Nordic cotton though. I haven't opened the lid, so do you know what? Let's try the scent together when I can open the lid. Oh, that's really nice. And another little trick here for you. Using the Outdoorable fabric softener in winter to dry your clothes really does keep them smelling fresher for longer. Now this, has anybody had this? I haven't had this. I'm quite excited to try this. All-in-one, long-lasting cleaning. Well, we'll put that to the test in this household, won't we? I'm gonna be honest, it was this lid. This lid got my attention. And I'm just gonna see. Cleans dirty hobs, bikes, mirrors and pet areas. Smudgy glass, tiles and taps. Glass. Should we go test it out on some glass? This is actually smear free. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. Well, they weren't fibbing. There are no smudges. It's fun to use. Definitely recommend. Let's get back into the haul. Next up, there's these. Technically, these aren't actually cleaning products as such, but they are amazing. They're biodegradable and they are very deceiving. You can fit a lot more in these than what you may think. Don't use them as the kitchen bin, but I do use them generally for other items around the house. This one I'm excited to try. So a lot of you will know that we have Nova, our dog, and if you're new around here, then we have a golden retriever puppy who is 7 months old, and I am on a mission to make sure we keep the house nice, but that is also safe for her. She's not near any of these products right now, may I add. So yeah, some Nutridoll Sniff and Purr. Let's give that a go. Of course, we have a classic. Again, if you've seen my other videos, you will know these. If you don't know them, I'd recommend. They're just good fun to clean your toilet, to be completely honest. I picked up some Pink Stuff Miracle Toilet Cleaner. I'm going to be honest with you, I like this purely because it's pink and you can see that you've used it on your toilet. But I did also pick up some Astonish Winter Spice. I'm not usually one for sense of the seasons and whatnot, but I do love Astonish cleaning products and I just wanted to give this a try, see if it's any good or not. I mean, they're both the same price, they're both 99p, but Not all that exciting toilet bleach, but it's something that we need. The second to last item in the cleaning haul is just good old Domestos toilet block. This is great. I don't like spending a lot of money on toilet blocks, and perfect. Last up for the cleaning products is some of this for our clothes. We need some more. I use it, love it. You can't go wrong with it. Just some good old fairy. And of course, a home bargain strip is not a home bargain strip if you go in there and get additional items that you did not expect to get. And I did that. I didn't go too crazy and I didn't go too rogue, but I will share them with you. So I needed some more shampoo and conditioner. I bought that. It's a pretty big bottle. I mean, I'd say I've got a big head and they're big bottles. Bargain, I think they were like $4.99 each. I'll put the correct price on the price. I'll put the correct price on the screen, but I didn't think about where they're actually going to go in the shower. That sounds like a future Eve problem right now though. We also got some Listerine mouthwash. Here's what it says on the tin. I can't go to Home Bargains and come out without any chocolate, but I was actually disappointed by the selection that they had. So they're obviously moving everything around for Christmas. Honestly, the amount of shelves that they've taken up with Christmas stuff already when we're in October, don't come at me. I'm not bar humbug, I love Christmas, but there's a time and a place for it, and October, in my opinion, isn't it? And they're taking down all of the good chocolates. No chocolate buttons. Yeah, watching you Home Bargains. However, I'll let you off because they had Terry's chocolate orange, so had to get one of these bad boys. I got some more toothpaste. Lastly, I will be seeing my niece and nephew very soon, and so I just wanted to get them a little something to, well, why not? I wanted to get my niece and nephew something. I appreciate this type of video is something a little different from myself. So if you have made it this far, and if you've even clicked on it in general, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.